15 Best Things to Make and Sell. Hobbies that make money are the best kinds of hobbies. So, if you've got a knack for arts, crafts or general DIY, you could turn your skills into profitable ventures. Here's how. Top craft ideas to sell. Here are the best and easiest things to make and sell from home. Personalized cards. Handmade cards are among the easiest things to sell. They are fairly easy to design, cheap to make and quick to reproduce. To make and sell cards for money, you'll need to have pretty good drawing skills. You could either do drawings and paintings by hand, straight onto the card, or you could design them digitally and print them out, whichever you feel most confident doing. Cushion covers. If you're comfortable using a sewing machine, you'll have even more options. Some of the best fabric craft ideas to make and sell are cushion and pillow covers. For a standard cushion cover, you can expect to need two, one for the front and one for the back. You could also consider adding a zip, but if you'd rather avoid this, try an envelope cushion cover instead. Gift hampers. To successfully make and sell gift hampers, presentation is key. Shoppers will pay for beautifully packaged hampers that look neater and more professional than they'd be able to achieve themselves. Once you've decided on the theme of your gift hampers, perhaps chocolates, cocktail ingredients, soaps or candles, you can get together some nice items, along with a hamper basket, tissue paper and some ribbon to go around it all. It might take a bit of practice at first, but once you become more experienced at making them, you should be able to sew tote bags together pretty speedily. You'll need a sewing machine, as well as fabric for the front, back and handles of the bag. You can play around with, and could also consider decorating the bags with applique, embroidery, sequins or anything else you fancy. Bookmarks. Handmade bookmarks are really simple to make, and are great items to sell online. It might be small, but there is so much creativity that can go into a bookmark. As long as it fits between the pages of a book, the style of your bookmark is completely up to you. Selling your art prints is an ideal way to make money if you've got an artistic eye and you're talented at drawing, painting, printmaking, photography or any other form of image making. These are all great hobbies that make money. If you've already created artworks that you'd be happy to digitally scan and sell online as prints, you could start making money really quickly. Pom Pom Garlands. Pom Pom garlands look amazing and are ridiculously easy to make, the perfect combination for any handmade decoration that you're hoping to sell. To produce them yourself, you can get pom pom making kits for £5–10, and these should last you a fair while. Individual garlands may sell for a little less than this, but you wouldn't have to sell too many before you start making the money back. Cross-stitch kits. Cross-stitching is not only a really great way to unwind, but it's also a potential way to make money. Once you become familiar with cross-stitching, you should be able to start designing your own kits. To do so, stitch an example version of your design so that shoppers can see what the finished version is like. Along with this, make a color pattern that explains where each stitch needs to go and write out some instructions. There will always be a market for handmade jewelry, and the best part is that there's so much flexibility regarding what designs to do, what materials to use and what forms of jewelry to create. You can be however creative you like, and could be able to sell your items for £10–20 each. Making and selling candles is a great craft business idea. You can buy wax, wicks and fragrance oils in bulk, then earn the money back plus a profit by selling lots of high quality and visually appealing candles. Hair accessories. Hairbands, clips, ties, scrunchies, barrettes, ribbons, there are a lot of hair accessories to choose from, making them really fun and easy things to make and sell. The easiest way to make hair accessories is to bulk buy things like hair grips and plain headbands, then customize them into really striking pieces which you can then sell on. Ties and bow ties. Whether you go for simple and sleek, or silly and quirky, ties and bow ties are some of the best things to make and sell. This is especially the case as the pattern pieces are pretty simple, so once you've chosen your fabric and decided on your design, you can closely replicate it each time you make it. Fabric jewelry rolls. Looking for other things to make and sell on Etsy? Fabric jewelry rolls are incredibly cheap and simple to create, and can sell for pretty good money. We've seen some on sale for £15–20. The design is up to you, but ensure the fabric pieces are wide enough to allow them to be comfortably wrapped up. Keyrings. Keyrings come in all shapes and sizes, and can be made in just about any material and style you fancy. Their only requirement is that they attach to your keychain. With so much room for creativity, keyrings are a brilliant craft idea to sell. They shouldn't cost much to make and, depending on their style, handmade ones can sell for £5–10 each online. Pin cushions. Any lover of sewing knows that a good needle cushion is essential. If you've got the skills, which we're sure you do, you could start making these and selling them online to other sewers. They vary a lot in price on online stores, but they can sell for £10+.